Perlite is an amorphous volcanic glass that has a relatively high water content, typically formed by the hydration of obsidian. It occurs naturally and has the unusual property of greatly expanding when heated sufficiently. When perlite ore is rapidly heated to temperatures of around 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, trapped water molecules turn into steam in the rock and expand like popcorn. It is a commercial product widely used in horticulture as a soilless growing media. Xinyang Hailan Industry is a direct manufacturer and exporter of expanded perlite in China. We produce the world's best quality perlite in Xinyang City. Depending on the size, horticultural grade perlite can hold water up to 8 times its weight, while increasing the level of oxygen available to plant roots and promoting healthy biological activity. Because perlite is completely natural and stable, it continues to provide benefits year after year. Our mission at Hailan Industry is to provide supreme quality perlite products and honest service in order to bring excellent value to our customers. We strive to serve our customers beyond their expectations.